Your soundbar won't turn on, don't trash it yet. This is Sony SA-CT60BT. Look at the model number here. You can see this is the machine. This is what it looks like. And it uses a wired subwoofer. If you can look at the hole there, it's a direct 220 plug. Most people try this machine thinking that it is faulty. For example, let me show you something. The power cable. It is plugged in right now. There's nothing to tell you that the machine is on or the machine is working. So this morning we'll be looking at what it is. I'm going to tell you one simple truth about the machine this morning. So stay with me while I show you what the problem is. Now here is the first thing to check on this machine. I've got this my Harmony IzugodTech 650 because I'm not having the original remote for this soundbar. So I'll first of all try if the power comes. Power, let's see. And here you go. The power is on. That means there's no problem with this machine. If you take a look at this machine, you will not see any keypad on it. So there's no way you will know if the machine is okay or not without having a remote. Take a look. Take a look at it. There is no keypad. And as you can see, there's no timer also, there's no screen. Only the dot light, which will be controlled here. You see? So it's only remote that brings back this machine to life. There's no problem with it. And when it fails, that's when you will need to check the power board. But first, you need, if you didn't come with the original remote, you need to get a replacement remote or look for a universal that will help you. Thank you.